Okay guys, so the Venturander's finished. Well, it's back from getting finished powder coating it. So I did the base in triple bronze with a clear coat over it. And then the main body of the motor is, it's a color called olive gold. It's a Harley Davidson Road King color. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put it back together. So I already went ahead and put the switch in and this in here. It just screws back in just like it was. Try not to scratch my paint. Alright, so first I'm going to put these base screws back in that go up from underneath that hold the motor body to the frame. I'm going to go ahead and Loctite these unlike the original. I carefully turn this over. Guess it doesn't really matter, does it? I think it goes this way. Alright, that's on there now. So the two gray wires go to the capacitor. Then one wire goes to the switch here. That orange paint, it won't even go away now. Go ahead and put my cord back in. Okay. Turn it back over, finish up the wiring now. Of course, going to reattach to the ground. Black goes to the switch. And then white's going to be spliced back together. So let me grab one of those real quick. Okay, now just going to put the bottom plate back on. Okay, there we go. So next, gotta put the rotor back in it. So of course on this one, the long end is the, the end that sticks out more is the buffing end. it runs. Bump the shafts a little more. All right, and there it is. I'll go ahead and put the guard back on, finish a few other things up. So it goes on the lower bolt holes. Okay, so I got the main wheel on there. I'm gonna go ahead and put the buffing wheel back on just for now. So I can put it back in the box like it was. I'm sure it's gonna vibrate like crazy with this on there again. All right, let's give it a go. Yep. Yeah, so it's totally smooth with just this wheel on there, but with both of them on there, it vibrates like crazy. Guess maybe it would even out if you used it a little bit on this, but you need a pretty balanced wheel out on this long shaft to make that work. But anyway, bench grinder's done. Hope it looks cool. Go ahead and get it boxed back up and wrapped.